Pemirsa, film box office selama long weekend Natal didominasi oleh 3 film dengan konten yang telah dikenal seperti The Color Purple, Aquaman The Lost Kingdom, dan juga Wonka.
3 film yang sedang tayang di seluruh dunia itu mengakhiri tahun dengan menandai comeback pemasukan bioskop dan sejumlah pergeseran dalam selera penonton film. Selengkapnya dilaporkan tim VOA dari New York berikut ini.
Pemasukan box office Hollywood selama 2023 didominasi fenomena Barbenheimer. 2 film kontras, Barbie dan Oppenheimer, yang kembali mendatangkan penonton film ke bioskop setelah keterpurukan panjang selama darurat pandemi.
I think 2023 in film, at least from my standpoint, has been about everybody getting their priorities straight. And it's sort of been a referendum for original director-driven creative movies like Barbie, like Oppenheimer, and also just for the necessity of having talent and supporting your talent.
Banyak film akhirnya sukses, kadang melebihi ekspektasi, mulai komedi horor Cocaine Bear hingga film konser oleh Taylor Swift dan juga Beyoncé. Pada saat yang sama banyak yang akhirnya mengecewakan di box office, termasuk film-film yang selama ini mengikuti formula yang sebelumnya sukses.
This year also saw a bunch of movies that were supposed to be some of the biggest movies of the year sort of fizzle out. You know, Indiana Jones and the Dial of Destiny was sort of came and went, and it didn't do incredibly well. Superhero movies, you know, not all, but a lot of the DC movies really struggled. The Flash being one of them, Blue Beetle, Shazam too. They've had a really rough year, and we'll see how that translates to Aquaman at the end of the year. But you know, that could be partially because DC underwent a big revamping, and they're sort of saying that they're starting over, so they felt even less like events. But even Marvel has sort of struggled. You know, one of the biggest movies of the year is Guardians of the Galaxy Volume 3, but Ant-Man and the Wasp: Quantumania didn't do terribly well, and then the Marvels recently just sort of tanked, and which is unheard of for Marvel movie.
Tapi membahas dunia perfilman selama setahun terakhir harus mengangkat juga mogok kerja ganda yang lama melumpuhkan Hollywood.
You know, this has been one of the longest strikes in Hollywood history. It started off with just the writers and that shut the town down, and then along the actors joined them in a historic double strike. And its production's been on pause for 6 months, which is insane to think about, really.
Salah satu film blockbuster yang akhirnya tertunda penayangan perdananya akibat mogok penulis naskah dan aktor adalah bagian kedua film fiksi ilmiah Dune, yang semula akan dirilis Oktober lalu, tapi ditunda hingga Maret mendatang. Pergantian tahun ditandai dengan penayangan perdana sejumlah film. Bila bukan film sequel seperti Aquaman, maka film yang menggunakan konten yang sudah dikenal. Seperti misalnya versi musikal The Color Purple yang sebelumnya menjadi film drama pada tahun 1980-an. Lalu selama 2024 akan ada sejumlah film sequel lainnya. Selain Dune juga film sequel The Joker dan Kung Fu Panda. Dari kota New York, saya Nova Purwadi dan tim VOA.
Jelajahi cara baru mendapatkan informasi. Download Metro TV Extend sekarang.